Hi everyone. Animals can be very vulnerable, especially if they get stuck somewhere, fall, or wander into dangerous places. Today, we will show you touching moments when animals are saved by humans. First, subscribe to our channel and let's get started. An eagle is flapping its wings in the water, but it cannot fly. In a time of despair, he was lucky to meet a kind man who helped him. In his arms, it looked at him for a long time before being set free. Another image of an eagle trapped in water. It was rescued by two men after 9 hours of soaking there. The cheetah is a ferocious predator in the cat family. It is truly a large cat. Because cheetahs specialize in sprinting, they have slimmer bodies than other cats, smaller heads, and long, slender legs. To run even faster, their claws are often blunt. Because of this characteristic, although they like high places, they may not be good at going down. It seemed that the stairs were a kind gift from Mr. Dolph, who was familiar with the characteristics of cheetahs. It took them 10 days to complete that gift. It was so sweet to see the leopard love the gift and lovingly thank Mr. Dolph. I really admire this man. She was not only beautiful but also really brave when she threw herself into the cold water to rescue the dog. She deserves to be called an angel. With the help of two friends, the girl helped the dog get to shore safely. He did not hesitate to share his last little cup of water with the monkeys in the hot weather. They showed kindness through the man's kind actions. The ferret got its foot stuck in the trap. After being rescued by the man, it appeared panicked in his hands. It ran quickly into the forest when the man set it free. Through many years of living with humans, this elephant became gentle and obedient. Not only does it help its owner with heavy work, it can even kneel down when the owner wants to ride it. The mischievous cat climbed up the electric pole and couldn't get down. The rescue team was immediately there to rescue it. Wow, the panic caused the cat to fall. Luckily, it was still safe. Without food for a long time, causing its body to become seriously weakened. It seemed to be revived after being discovered and cared for by zoo staff. The bird felt lonely and disoriented under the hailstorm. But don't worry too much. People won't abandon you. The way he used a lemon to remove the leeches clinging to this turtle is a very useful tip for us in life. The girl saved this poor lion from a circus, where it was often mistreated, causing its body to become weak. After spending time under her care, the lion is recovering and healthy. Due to regulations not to keep lions in captivity, she had to let him go to the zoo to live. Every time we visit, looking at the intimate gestures between her and the lion, we can see the close friendship between them. No matter how ferocious a leopard is, it will appear gentle when you feed it. The golden turtle is being attacked by a tiger shark. The shark only let go of the turtle when humans appeared. They quickly helped it escape the dangerous area. The deer was stuck in a mud hole. The man's love for animals gave him the strength to rescue the deer. In this arid place, water is precious. He understands that and doesn't hesitate to help the little squirrel. Look at how it enjoys the feeling of happiness.
So I wonder, like, where they get their water from.
Can you guess how much water a camel can drink when thirsty? Snakes will only be aggressive when they feel threatened, but if you show friendliness, they will also show kindness to you. The girl discovered that the baby bird had a broken leg. She took it home and took care of it. Even though the wound on my leg hasn't healed yet, it looks bigger and more beautiful. The camel's two hind legs were tightly wrapped with steel wire. It wouldn't be able to stand up and move without his help. The seagull is trying to swallow a fish, but unfortunately for him, the fish was still alive, causing him to choke. Luckily for him, this guy discovered it. Not only humans, but dogs also have great friendships. They are willing to sacrifice their lives for their friends when they are in danger. After receiving help to escape the network, he bowed down and thanked them before leaving.
We'll help you. What?
After being freed from the trees by the father, the eagle did not fly away, but stayed to play with his daughter. Maybe he wants to live with their family. When the seal was discovered, the net ropes were wrapped around its body. The man did not hesitate to help it cut off the strands. Ben Johnson was diving with a group of tourists in the waters of Cayman Brac when he suddenly saw a shark with a knife stuck in its head. Ben helped it pull the knife out of its head. The wound left behind looked quite terrible. Luckily, the shark seemed to be okay. Thank you, Ben, for saving that beautiful creature. This deer was really lucky to be discovered in time, with its entire body covered in snow. This man tried his best to free the deer. Finally, his efforts paid off. In this video, a rescue team and government agencies are working together to rescue and free a young whale trapped in a shark net. The use of shark nets often sparks controversy because while they can prevent shark attacks on beachgoers, they also inadvertently cause harm to marine life, including whales. This mama bear cares about her baby more than some human mums care about their kids. What a devoted mother. I'm glad she got both cubs over the fence. This turtle cannot return to the sea because its flipper is trapped in marine debris. Fortunately, kind-hearted individuals have discovered and assisted it. However, many other marine creatures are facing similar situations without receiving help. Let's work together to raise environmental awareness and aid these animals in ending their suffering. The marine conservation organization Sea Shepherd has rescued a whale trapped in an illegal net in the Gulf of California, Mexico. This action aims to protect the endangered whale species and maintain ecological balance in the marine region. Thank you to the heroes who performed their excellent mission. When the rescue team found the sea turtle, it was in critical condition with dangerously low body temperature and injuries to both flippers. They brought it to a care center for treatment until it recovered. Then, they released it back into the sea. Thank you for the dedicated actions of the rescue forces. This little dog's name is Turbo. He was born without front legs and was often bullied by his siblings. The kind woman at the vet clinic adopted that poor puppy. Despite multiple attempts to provide him with mobility aids, they proved unsuccessful due to his small size. Luckily, a kind man designed a stroller just for him. Turbo didn't give up. Now he enjoys a wonderful life filled with friends, adventures, and love. Perhaps this baby horse has not been cared for a long time, causing its hooves to become too long and make it difficult to move.
First session took 2 hours.
Technicians are trying to help.
While they were very, very long and curled,
When the horse
there
was
not
finally
very
able
much
to walk normally
deformation.
like any other animal, it was a moment that warmed my heart.
When we brought her back to her friends, she did laps and laps and
This eel's life is so lucky to meet a man with such a compassionate and altruistic heart. The timely intervention of the forest department saved the life of a 3-year-old leopard trapped in a trap. The heroes of the jungle in India were truly wonderful people. This is an action on incomplete handling. Accidentally causing a death trap for the turtle, it luckily met a kind man. The rescue team is making every effort to rescue the sea lion. Their heroic actions are something to be celebrated. The problem of marine pollution not only affects animals, but also pollutes our natural environment.
Still videoing.
Stories like these are sure to inspire others to do good in the world. Even small gestures contribute to making the world a brighter place. It's great to see that kindness still exists in the world. Share your inspiring stories in the comments. For more interesting content, please subscribe to our channel. Bye, and see you again.